ready, Captain.
Aye.
At your command. Hey! Captain?
Captain, I've just got word from Mary, an old shipmate of mine, that my first captain, Calico Jake, is looking for me. And you, too. The letter says Jake needs to find me straight away for some kind of hush-hush job, one that'll make a real sniper out of me. I'm eager to go. Last I heard, Mary had retired from pirating and was living in Skull Island. I bet we find her in the Kraken Skulls.
Well, look what the wind blew in. How have the skies been treating you? I won't say I'm not jealous. I never should have retired. But it's not me you want to see, is it? Aye, Calico Jake himself came looking for you. Asked for you by name. He says you can find him in Port Regal at some warehouse called Universal Exports. Jake's working for somebody named Mr. M. Sounds silly to me.
See here, pirate. I've a bone to pick with you. If you'll recall, I once asked you to go down into the tunnels and drive back the monsters. I'd hoped you'd quiet things down, but you did nothing of the sort. The creatures are riled up worse than ever. You were the one who heated them up, as it were, so it stands to reason you should cool them down. Go down there and finish the job, eh, what?
It not be enough to fight them monsters, Captain, my captain. We got to beat their leaders, then they go quiet.
You've put them through the ringer, eh? Hopefully they'll stop making such a racket and storming my office here. Good, good. You've done well. Good news. Your deeds have drawn the ire of the brass monkey. We just received this letter.
To the insolent captain of the cowardly fleet of Marleybone. Your arrogance can no longer be borne. I, Brastillo de Brass, greatest captain in these or any skies, challenge you to combat, ship to ship. I await you in the Antilles Maelstrom. If you know the meaning of the word honor, and if you are no coward, come face me. Alone.
Good hunting. A final word. Sally mentioned someone named Gilbert. If you make it to Port Regal, he may know where she's gone.
So, this is the finest that Marleybone can pit against me? Ha! Prepare to learn the true meaning of defeat, ruffian.
On it.
Hi.
With honor.
Bring it on!
All right.
No! Treachery! Deceit! You cheat! You liar! You fiend! I curse your name! I will have my vengeance, pirate. I will have my vengeance!
Here now, you've captured the brass monkey. Well done. Take this little monkey to the governor in Port Regal for his just deserts.
Let's deal with the governor quickly so we can find this Gilbert Sally mentioned.
My son Zachary fell from the treetops today and broke his leg. I've told him time and time again to stay out of trees, but he never listens. Gather me wooden boards from the Skyway, rolls of gauze from Conquistadors, and talons from Scarakeet so I can make a splint for Zachary's leg.
I understand you've single-handedly brought this villain to justice. Congratulations, Captain, and welcome to Port Regal. You're quite the adventurer, eh? Never took ship myself. It was Her Majesty's army for me, where I was the very model of a modern Major General. You dealt a great blow for Marleybone against our enemies. Here is but a slight reward for your efforts.
I curse your name! Beware, pirate. The prison has not been built that can hold me. I will have my vengeance!
Well, that's the last we'll see of that little blowhard. Now, where do we find Gilbert?
Captain, I've always prided myself on my mastery of scholastic topics far beyond elemental strategy and tactics. My special passion is archaeology, the study of which I took up during my service in Crocotopia. To plumb the mysteries of the past. Captain, here in Skull Island there are remarkable ruins. Ancient pyramids which, alas, my duties as governor prevent me from exploring. A fabulous treasure, the golden idol of Tolok, lies in the tunnels under the Scurvy Dog's Haven. Fetch me the idol and I'll richly reward you.
As I live and breathe, Bonnie Ann, it's so good to see you. I trust Avery and this pirate here are treating you well.
Better than you ever did, you rogue. So what's all the fuss about, eh?
Yeah, I'll speak to that. Welcome back to Port Regal, Miss Anne. Captain, I am an official in the Secret Service of Her Majesty the Queen. As you know, recently tensions between Marleybone and Valencia have erupted into open warfare. The loss of Fort Helena was only the beginning.
What's this to do with me?
The Armada is planning a massive invasion of Skull Island, led by Rook, first general and member of Kane's Inner Court. Calico Jake, posing as a traitor, will soon arrange a personal meeting with Rook. At that meeting, I mean for Bonnie Ann to incapacitate Rook. And Calico Jake insisted we use you. You and your captain are well known. The brass monkey in saving Governor Stanley's daughter turned many heads.
You don't know the half of it. Arr.
Hush. So what do I do?
If you accept the mission, report to Lucius Fox in Gullet. He's working with me to devise an appropriate weapon.
Captain, what do you say? I say we do it.
Annie, so you're the one Em roped into this, eh? I'm no friend of the Parliament in Marleybone, but they're better by far than the Armada. If you're going to destroy Rook in one shot, you'll need a weapon more powerful and accurate than anything you can find here, or anywhere. There are two components I need to build you an ideal weapon. Go take an advanced wheel-lock rifle from an Armada Fusilier in Port Regal Skyway. I've had a special scope shipped all the way from Darkmoor. Catbeard should have it by now. Bring the wheel lock and scope to me, quick as you can.
rifle. She's a beauty. Now let's go find Capbeard and get the scope.
Finally!
Meow, meow, meow. Look what we have here. Captain, you're back. To what do I owe the pleasure? Oh, Im sent you, did he? Oh, that means our lovely Bonnie Ann must be the intended sniper. Smashing. I'm afraid I have bad news. I don't have the scope. It's not my fault. Every time we try to go collect it, the Armada is waiting to pounce. The scope should be waiting in Puerto Rico with Diego Lancion, the importer. Say, I bet you could get it. You always were the sneaky type.
Capper sent you? I've been waiting. Here, I'm eager to be rid of this, whatever it is.
Surrender or perish. Attack!
Will do.
All ready, Captain. On my way.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, will do.
As you wish.
You want to know who sent us? Spare us, and I tell you, it was the Clockworks, the Armada. They paid us to watch Lancion and to capture whoever came for the scope. That's all I know. Please, be merciful.
The Armada knows too much. We'd best get back to Fox quickly.
Took you a while to come back. Was there some problem? I'm sorry to hear about your troubles in Puerto Rico. It seems our good Mr. M isn't running as tight a ship as he thinks. Worrisome. Here, your rifle is prepared. I've installed the scope and a new custom revolving action for it. You need Magnum ammunition and some proper training in how to fire that thing. Look up my old friend Quigley in Cooper's Roost.
So, you're the sniper to be, eh? You've got a steady hand and a keen eye. I figure you'll do fine. That's some weapon you have there. Time to get some proper bullets for it. A crate of Magnum bullets went astray a while back. They'd serve nicely. Word is, some Red Sash smugglers hid the ammo in the caves near Gold Creek, then got run off by some nasty critters. That ammunition crate should still be there. We'll talk again when you come back with it.
There's the crate. Look at the size of those bugs. Figured this wouldn't be easy.
On it.
At your command.
No problem, Captain.
At once.
On my way.
Enough of this bug hunting. Get your ammunition and let's be done with this place.
I've got my bullets. Let's get back to Quigley.
Before you go use your new rifle, I want to give you some advice. Your gun won't kick like a flintlock. It's a whole different beast. Look out. Now head back to Mr. M. Time you got to work.